Hey guys, it's Dawn from Princess Mom's Travel Tips, back with our cooking around the World Showcase in Epcot. We've gone almost around the world. So excited that we're nearly to our home country, Canada, but today we're going to Morocco with the Moroccan roasted lamb. You'll need lamb shanks, celery, tomatoes, carrots, onion, zucchini, green pepper, yam or sweet potato, chickpeas, cabbage, parsley, ground turmeric, salt and pepper, paprika, cumin, ground ginger, garlic, and olive oil. Oh, and butter. Almost missed that one. Going to turn your oven on 300 and put the lamb shanks in the pot and put them into the oven. Now, I think that it would have been better for me to actually sear them on the stove, so next time I'll do that. Anyway, add some olive oil to the pan, as well as some butter. Add to that your onions. I'm going to cook those until they start to caramelize. Look a little bit like this. And then you'll add the lamb shanks to that pan as well. Then you'll add the tomato and the celery, the chickpeas, the cabbage, parsley, and look at this beautiful array of spices. All of those spices into the pan. Salt and pepper to taste. And then you're going to add some water to your pan. Now you need quite a large pan for this. It needs to be a lot bigger. I had to switch from a small pan to a big pan. It does take quite a long time to cook. I cooked it on 300 for approximately 4 hours. Till it kind of like the bone starts to show. And then I took it out and put in the sweet potatoes or yams, whatever you want to call them, and the carrots, and put that back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Then I added the green pepper and zucchini, put them back in the oven and cook until they are tender. Sorry guys for the noise, my neighbor is cutting his lawn. Now back to the recipe. Now we're going to drain the juices from the vegetables. And then we're going to add those juices to a pot and we're going to bring that to a boil. While it's boiling, we're going to take some of the sauce and some cornstarch and just mix it up in a separate bowl until there are no cornstarch lumps. We're just going to add that back into the pan to create just a little bit of a thicker sauce. It's not going to be like a gravy consistency, but a little bit less than that. And there we go, guys, the Moroccan roasted lamb with vegetables. It was a really colorful dish and smelled really great. I hope that you can join us next time when we travel to France. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok at Princess Mom's Travel Tips for all your Disney needs. All right, thanks guys, and have a great day. Bye.